Hi there, and thank you so much for joining me back on my channel. In this video I'm participating in a collaboration that is hosted by Tracy over at Holiday Cookie Diva. Tracy asked us to decorate a tray. It could be any kind of tray, just a regular tray, a one-tier tray, a two-tier tray, or even a three-tier tray, something that you bought or something that you DIY'd. Anyway, just use a tray and decorate it for the season. And first I want to thank Tracy so much for hosting this wonderful challenge. It gave me the opportunity to decorate my a part of my kitchen for the fall. So yes, thank you so much for hosting this. I really had a great time participating. So if you're not familiar with Tracy's channel, I will leave a link of her channel in the description box below. So you make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love and support. So if you are interested in seeing my creation, then keep on watching. This is my two-tier stand that I'm going to be using. And I've got some fall items here that I want to use, and one of the rules was you have to use a candle, so this is going to be my candle. And yeah, I do have some fall leaves, some greenery, and some pumpkins, so enough fall items to go around. So well, let's just start decorating. Final result, you guys. I am so loving this. All the warm colors and all the fall items that I've used. I went ahead and put this chalkboard sign here with this burlap bow, and I thought that really gave it an extra touch. So yeah, and I'm not using just one candle with my owl there, but also this scented candle. So yeah, I am really loving this. So thank you, Tracy, so much for hosting this wonderful challenge. I really had a fun time participating. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the description box below what you think. And also, if you do not like this video and you want to give this video a thumbs down, that is just fine by me as well. But I would really be interested in knowing why you don't like this video or this decor. So yeah, if you give it a thumbs down, I would really appreciate if you would leave a comment as well. So for now, thank you so much for watching. I really had a fun time doing this. If you are new to my channel, then I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and joining me on my channel. So thank you again for watching. Have a very blessed day, and I hope to see you again in my next video really soon. Bye.